Oh man, different camera today, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's a little washed out, but we'll see how it goes. So, I just let my nut hang. I can't even get the line out. I just let my nuts hang over at IAA on a Pontiac Chieftain from Auto Auction Rebuilds. That's right, guys. Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to do some pre-bidding on the I believe it's a 55, right? 1955 Pontiac Chieftain that Auto Auction Rebuilds literally just ran through IAA. Now, to get it out of the way before you guys ask a bazillion effing questions in the comments, Auto Auction Rebuilds, aka Randy, has to sell the vehicles through IAA. The reason being is he cannot sell directly to the public, and even if I wanted to purchase them through my wholesale or my license, it would be a pain in the ass for me to then convert it from the business to personal. So we're not getting into all of that. We're keeping that out of the equation. We're going through IAA. It's good content for Randy. It's good content for me. And I think I want to buy this car. Let me tell you why. For me, it's all about content, right? That's where I'm at right now. I'm trying to get a couple of really good content cars that I can spend time on over the next 4 to 6 months, okay? For me, I'm not going to buy a car to have for like a month or maybe 2 months and then turn around and sell it. I found that that hasn't worked well for me as far as analytics and views and all that stuff goes. So for me, I want to get the Pontiac Chieftain if I can get it for a good price, and kind of restore the interior, put the chrome stuff back on it, and keep it as a car that's kind of an anomaly. If you haven't noticed lately, that car's been all over the friggin' internet. Motorious, The Drive, a bunch of websites have been talking about this car because, I'm gonna be honest with you, Randy's a fucking genius. He put a Mopar color on a GM car. He pissed off 2 communities. For that, sir, I don't know. I think the only other thing that you could do that could, maybe make the automotive community more mad is if you put like Toyota badges on it. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. But I am actively going to try to win this car. And like I said, the reason why it's content, I have, it's easy stuff that I can do, that I can physically do. I don't have to hire somebody to do it. And it makes good content for the channel. And it gives me a classic car to have in my fleet, right? It could be something I could putt around with out in Las Vegas, and no salt air out there. I don't have to worry about the car ever rusting. It's already in good shape. I don't have to worry about it ever getting rusted. And I could putt around, the little areas, and it's going to get looks because it's totally different with that plum crazy purple on it. But anywho's, enough of my yapping. Let's get to acting here, and let's jump into the IAA app and bid on the car a little bit. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. What I'm showing you now is just an initial pre-bid. I know probably by the time this video goes up, somebody else is going to bid, and that's when I'm really going to let my nuts hang, okay? Because I know how much I'm willing to bid on it, and I'm just going to drop my nuts on it. I'm telling you now, I'm just going to be like, blue. And if you want to bid on the car, have at. Just bring your wallet. All right. Let me tuck my Petty Roosevelt in. Let's go ahead and get into the bidding and drop a couple grand on it. All right, guys, we are in here, and I'm taking a look at the Pontiac Chieftain here from Auto Auction Rebuilds, and I think we need to get some pre-bids in here. And I'm not going to mess around. We're going to jump out there immediately with a nice fat bid and see where we're at. We're winning it at 500. I'm going to bring my pre-bid up right away. you know, just a little something to let people know, like, this is not a game out here. We're actively trying to win this one. And there you have it. This thing actually looks really beautiful. If you haven't seen it over on Randy's channel at Auto Auction Rebuilds, I highly recommend that you go check it out. It does run and drive. It's got a brand new fresh base and clear coat. So it's got a brand new base and clear coat paint job on it, and it's something I think is something I want. I think this would be a really cool addition to the channel. This, the Z3 from Hoovy's Garage, and then the 540, and then I got to get another truck. I just don't know what I'm going to get truck-wise, but let me know what you guys think about this one. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I went ahead and just dropped $1,500 on it immediately because I know it's going to go for more than that. I'm not stupid. I'm probably going to end up bidding $4 or $5 grand on this car. There's another one here, though. Look at this. Huh. Another one that's wrecked in Maryland somewhere. Huh. Well, I think Randy's looks really, really good. And at $1,500, it's a hell of a deal. And, you know, it's coming up this coming Wednesday. It's coming up this coming Wednesday, December 8th at 9:30, so stay tuned for it. I'm excited. I think we could win this one, and this could be something special. I really do. I really, really do. But there it is, guys. I went ahead and jumped on it out the box, and we'll see where it goes for. All right, guys. That's going to do it for today's video. Real simple. I got my pre-bids in. The auction does come up Wednesday. I'm totally fine with bidding this thing up early. I have no problems with it. In fact, if you want to bid on the car, I highly encourage it. I know that my buddy Randy has at least $7 grand in this car, and if we can get it to $7 grand, Birdman hand rub. Like I said, I'm willing to pay for it. So, like I said, just bring your wallet. I'm good. I'm definitely good for it. And this wouldn't be the first car that I buy from Randy at IAA. You guys have been hounding me about stuff about the GTO, and shocker, I have a couple videos for you on the GTO coming real soon. And, you know, if you'd like to see me actually win the Pontiac Chieftain, let me know in the comments, and you can tell me by hitting that thumbs up button. I'll tell you what, for every 1,000 likes, that the video gets, is another $1,000 that I'll be willing to add to whatever my top of what I'm willing to pay for the car is. Matter of fact, I'll even make it easier for you. For every like the video gets, period, is $1 that I'll add to what I think is the max I'll pay for that car. Because two things. One, I know it's going towards a good cause. Randy put a lot of time and effort into that car. And two, I'll definitely make my money back on it. If you've learned anything about me on this channel at this point, is I don't take losses on cars that I buy. I buy them. Sometimes I'm going to the bar to have a few drinks and I sell it at a bar. I buy them. Sometimes I do nothing to them and I sell them for a profit. Or I buy them and sometimes I fix stuff and I have to sit on them for 6 months. It is what it is, man. But I don't take losses on cars. So if I ended up paying 8, 9, 10 grand for this car, I'd be totally okay with it. I'm not stressing. I'm not tripping. Because I know I'm going to get my money back out of it. Period. With that said, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And, yeah. I'll catch you guys on the next one. But before we go, I have a new sponsor to talk to you guys about today. And you guys know I love Robinhood. Robinhood's still going to be a staple here on the channel. But I got a deal with Coinbase. Oh. Right now, if you use the link in the description down below, you can get about 25 bucks in free money. Doesn't cost you a penny. Now, if you decide you want to fund your account with like $5 to buy some more crypto, they're going to give you another $5 in Bitcoin for free. But if you don't want to do that and you just want to play the free game and not invest anything of your own money, just by clicking the link below and signing up for an account with Coinbase, you can get about 25 bucks in free crypto. Right now, today, no waiting. You can get it today. You could trade it today. You could convert it to Bitcoin, Shiba, Dogecoin, whatever you want. It's unbeatable. So check the link in the description down below for Coinbase, and I appreciate Coinbase for sponsoring my content, this video, and this channel. See y'all soon.